Suzuki has once again turned the spotlight onto its most iconic hyperbike. After years of carrying the ultimate sport bike crown, the brand presents the 2026 Hayabusa Special Edition, a model that elevates exclusivity while staying true to its legendary DNA. Revealed through Suzuki's global platform, the 2026 Hayabusa enters the European market with a refreshed lineup of colors. All three standard versions receive updates, but the real attention belongs to the Special Edition. Finished in Pearl Vigor Blue and Pearl Brilliant White, it brings more than just a new shade. Riders get a 3D tank emblem, white cowl moldings, unique graphics, raised Suzuki logos, and custom detailing on the muffler end and cover. A single-seat cowl now comes standard, though in Japan, it remains optional. What makes this edition truly stand out is what sits underneath. For the first time, the Hayabusa is fitted with an Akrapovic exhaust system right from the factory. Akrapovic, a name synonymous with world-class performance, brings a lightweight construction that improves handling, stability, and acceleration response. Whether under heavy braking, rapid acceleration, or fast transitions, the bike feels sharper and more controlled. This isn't a simple bolt-on. Suzuki and Akrapovic collaborated closely, using 3D vehicle data, real-world rider feedback, and full validation to ensure both reliability and performance. The result is a package that raises quality beyond standard levels, combining Suzuki's design philosophy with Akrapovic's technical expertise. The Hayabusa's story began in 1999 with the GSX 1300R, redefining hyperbikes with a 1,298 cubic centimeters engine and unmatched speed. Later expanded to 1,340 cubic centimeters and entering its third generation in 2021, the bike has continually evolved to meet new regulations while retaining its identity. Smooth cruising, brutal acceleration, and a chassis built to endure. Now, with features like ride-by-wire, bi-directional quickshifter, cruise control, a full electronics package, and LED lighting, the 2026 Hayabusa Special Edition continues that legacy.